from Florida, now calling it a career. Thank you, CJ, for all that you've done for surfing.
Pressure on, 2:25 to go. Fanning with priority, needs a 2.67.
Nick Fanning, he could be crowned world champion if Adriano de Souza fails to progress through quarterfinal number 4. In insider, Josh Kerr let it go. De Souza keeps his world title hopes alive. He is moving on through to the semi-finals.
Making a move, Fanning looks back door, packs the first section, he'll pop out. Coming into the bonus section on the inside, and Fanning will start with the lead. Waiting to get barreled on the inside, it stays nice and round. Medina looking to ramp up, it's a full rotation punt. Looking to pick himself back up on the inside. Now Fanning will wait on the sidelines. If De Souza beats Mason, Adriano finally fulfills his lifelong dream.
Mason Hope from Hawaii up and riding underneath the hook. He gets covered. De Souza tucks in and he comes out.
It is official. Adriano de Souza is the 2015 world champion. De Souza on fire, fueled by the world title he just won by making it into this last heat of the Pipe Masters.
Your new Billabong Pipe Master champion for 2015, Adriano de Souza.